The Noble Dhāraṇī, spoken by Mañjuśrī himself. Mañjuśrī Svākyāta. Homage to the three jewels. Homage to noble Mañjuśrī. Namo Ratnatrayaya. Namo Bhagavate Dhammadhatu Nigaji Tarajaya. Tathāgataya arhate Samyak Sambuddhaya. Namo Mañjuśrīye Kumarabhutaya. Tathāgata Om Jnana Loke Triratna Vam Shasam Dharani. Bhagavatī Abhayam Dadi Abhayam Date Me Bodhicitta Vajra Paripalaya. Samanta Vabhasena. Hana Hana Savasattva Samtana Patitam. Kleshan Uchedaya. Vara Lakshana Lamkrita Sharire. Bodhisattva Shishun. Paripalaya Buddhan Adeshaya. Deva Nagaya Shagan. Dava Sura Garuda. Kinara Mahoragan. Vashe Spataya Abhayam Dadati Svaha. As for the benefits of this Dharani, even a single recitation will purify the karmic obscurations accrued over 1,000 eons. And at that time of death, one will behold noble Mañjuśrī. One will also behold the body of Noble Avalokiteśvara, his head adorned with a topknot. In short, the benefits of this Dharani are limitless. This concludes the Noble Dhāraṇī, spoken by Mañjuśrī himself.